Oh, hey everybody. Welcome to Palm Harbor Homes. My name is Ken. I want to take a couple of minutes to tell you a little bit about this particular home that I'm sitting in today. This is the Sheridan 58. It's got 1,740 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, a living area and a den. Folks, this home has got a fantastic kitchen. It's got full tile backsplash, 42-inch cabinets, and a huge pantry like no other pantry you've seen. The master bedroom in this home is extremely large. You can fit the king-size bed with your dressers. The master bath is wonderful. It's got a 72-inch walk-in shower. And on those nights that you just want to sit and have a quiet evening with the wife, but the kids are home, you've got a den area back in the back side where the kids can have their own TV, their play system. It's even got a mini fridge so they don't have to come up here and bother you for drinks during the day. Now, folks, the great thing about this home is generally this home sits in at about $149,900. Right now, this model is on special because we need to move this model out so we can bring in our 2025s with the new colors and features. Folks, this home is $139,900. You can take advantage of that and make this home yours. Now, for more information, click the link below, ask for Ken, and I'm really looking forward to talking with you and having you come visit me here at the Sell Center and let me show you this wonderful house. Thanks. You guys have a great day.